Welcome to AmpleBlaze's video tutorial on how to resolve the shared drive 400,000 item limit issue that people may be having. So if you try to exceed 400,000 files, you can't actually put anything in your shared drive. Now, the way I see a fix for this would be to go into your shared drives. Now, I haven't got a shared drive set up, so I'll show you how to set up a shared drive as well. But what I would be doing is archiving the really old files, and I'll show you what we do for archiving those really old files. So I'll create a shared drive here. Test drive. Okay, create. And there it is there. So it wants me to add stuff in there. Now what we'll do is, because most of us work from the Windows file folder, so we'll go into Google Drive. You'll see shared drives, and you'll see the test drive there. Now, as you guys know, it's got nothing in there, but I will throw a few things in here. What have we got? Let's say that. Okay, so we're going to copy this stuff, copy that across, go to Google Drive, put that in shared, put that into my test drive, and paste it. Now this will, of course, go in, but for others it won't. Now, let's say you had all this in there, and you can't. You have that 400,000 limit. What I would be doing to compress it is creating a subfolder. We'll trying to create a subfolder here. Now you can put the subfolder wherever. You can actually create another shared drive and call it the archive. But I'm just going to create an archive folder here. So this way, instead of having all those client folders, you may have it alphabetical. You might have it like client files, alphabetical, and then go in there and have Tom Smith, and all the subfolders underneath that, which 400,000 items, get quickly taken up. So the easiest way to get around this is to copy the subfolder or the files. I would copy all of them, and I would go into here and compress to zip file. This then now automatically is creating that zip file, and it's called it that, so I'm just going to say archive 1. So you can name it whatever. So if you're archiving based on a year, so if you've got like 2015 files, you can archive 2015. And once you've done that, then I would be cutting it from there and putting it into the archive. And then once you've done that, you can actually come in here and delete all these. Then that will make the 400,000 items less, and you've got everything in an archive folder, and it's compressed in a zip folder. So if you ever need to revisit this, you can right click it and let's rename extract all. So you can just go to extract all, and that'll tell you that you can unzip it. Now you can unzip it onto your desktop if you wanted, or you can unzip it to your C drive, depending on what you want to do and where you want to unzip it. But that's how I would manage the 400,000 file limit. Any questions? let us know. Thank you for watching.